Let's import data into the MySQL database. The very first step is to make sure that you choose the right database where you want to import the data. You can do that by double clicking on any of the database, or you can use the query use. In here we are going to import the data into the sticky data. So I type in use sticky data and I run this. We can see here the database has been selected with 0 rows affected. So we have chosen the database. Also you can see here the sticky data has been highlighted. So after that we click on the tables, right click, table data import wizard, and in the browse fields you choose the data where it is located, and mine is located on the desktop, so I'm just choosing the CSV file, sales data, and we click on next. In here you have the option to create a new table or use an existing table. Since we don't have any existing tables around here, I'm just going to create a new table, and you can rename your table in here if you want to. I'm just going with just sales data, and also you can choose your database here as well. Suppose if you haven't chosen in the first step, so we are just going to stick with sticky data, and we click on next. So we'll just go for next and next as well. So the data has been imported, and we click on next, and we can see 25 records, and this is 25 rows and be imported. So we click on finish, and once we refresh this, click on this refresh button, we, as under the tables we can see sales data, and you can verify it by right clicking on it and select rows. Yes, the table has been imported.